This is Dr. Piyush Flara here, and today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use Radar, that is the homeopathic repertory software. So this is Radar and I'll be using it to show you how to prescribe a remedy for case taking. Now see, this is Radar 10.5 licensed and registered version, and these are the list of repertories in this software. So I put a lot of stress on clinical symptoms in my practice, so I'll be using Murphy's repertory. Now I'll quickly go to the find a symptom section. The shortcut key would be F2. Now these are the list of chapters in this repertory. Now see, suppose I'm having a patient who is having headache, the most common problem, and since this is winter season, so I will put WINT, see, winter headaches. Now in winter headache section I'll click on OK. Now this is the sub rubric. I'll just drag it into the repertorization sheet 1 and it will be recorded here. So you can see for the symptom sub rubric headaches winter, these are the list of remedies: sulfur, aurum metallicum, bismuth, salacia, and so on. So suppose I have to find some more symptoms, such as find a symptom section. I'm having problem of, suppose my patient is having problem of eyes. So he's having burning pain in eyes. So I'll put BURNIC, burning pain. There are 200 remedies listed under this. So I'll give it more specificity, that is evening. At evening time he faces problem of burning of eyes. So again I'll drag this into the repertorization sheet. Now there are 2 symptoms. Now suppose, let's quickly record one more symptom. He's also having problem of loss of appetite. So suppose food section, loss of appetite. Okay. In the appetite chapter, appetite general, see, this is loss of appetite. 209 remedies listed here. So I'll just go with it because it is as in general, and I'll drag it into the repertorization sheet once again. Now you can see there are 3 symptoms recorded in this clipboard: headache, winter headaches; eyes, burning pain evening; food appetite, general loss of appetite. So these are the list of remedies you can see here. Sulfur is the most probable and the most simillimum for these 3 symptoms. So it has having the highest intensity marked by the different shades of color: blue, green, light green, and so on. So if I'm having, suppose, any discrepancy that between sulfur and natrum mur and pulsatilla, which would be the best simillimum, so I can use this particular feature called make this analysis in EH, that is Encyclopedia Homoeopathica. Now see, it will search all the chapters from Materia Medicas and repertory books, and it will give me a graphical representation of the intensity of these 3 symptoms for a particular remedy. And see, sulfur is the remedy for this. So I'll prescribe sulfur 30x for my patient for this condition because it's an acute condition. So this is how we use this software Radar 10.5 for repertorization, case taking, and selection of remedy. So if you like my video, I'll post some more. And if you are having a language barrier problem, so I'll post this same video in Hindi language as well. So kindly like this video, share it, and subscribe it. Dr. Piyush Flara signing off. Thank you everyone.